Our world is constantly on the move. Roads, railway tracks, and paths are the precious lifelines of urban mobility. Every disruption in this area implies loss of time, money, and quality of life. To protect surfaces, as well as to prevent disruption and to lower costs, egeplast has focused on developing piping systems for trenchless installation. This approach places highest demands on the material and project planning alike. The egeplast SLM 3.0 is a latest generation pipe system featuring a protective layer. It has been developed for damage-free installation of a new pipe system and for pipe rehabilitation. The protective layer is extremely resistant to abrasion, thus securely protecting the pressure pipe underneath from damage during black box installation. During production, we first manufacture the inside pressure pipe made of PE100 RC, followed by inspection and labeling, before the additive protective layer made of PE Plus is extruded onto it. This is the only way to produce it compliant with the relevant regulations. The protective layer allows for direct butt welding without any cutting back. Prior to electrofusion welding and hot tapping, the protective layer can be removed easily to facilitate self-welding procedures on an intact, smooth pressure pipe. Generally, pipe systems with a protective layer should be used whenever, as in the context of trenchless installation, potential damage to the new pipeline cannot be ruled out. In contrast to open trench installation, no sandbed is required. We manufacture our third-generation protective pipes with a layer made of highly abrasion-resistant PE. This enables customers to save time and money, since the protective layer requires no cutting back for proper and safe welding. Our SLM protective pipe offers greater efficiency while providing the same level of safety, since only one small diameter pipe has to be drilled. egeplast SLM 3.0. Easy handling, maximum safety, and optimized total costs. Seek our individual professional advice. Our experts will be happy to support you in planning a construction project. egeplast. Pipe systems safeguarding future generations.